Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy and sell OctaFX. First, you'll need to open an account. Visit the OctaFX website or download their app. Provide your email and personal details to register. After that, verify your identity by submitting the required documents, like a government-issued ID. Once verified, you can fund your account using various convenient deposit methods to start trading. Once your account is ready, it's time to understand the trading basics. OctaFX offers a wide range of instruments, including currency pairs, commodities like gold, and various indices. You can trade using popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5, or their proprietary OctaTrader app. Familiarize yourself with concepts like leverage, which can amplify your trading power, and margin requirements for opening positions. Now, let's walk through placing a buy order. Choose the instrument you wish to trade, like a currency pair, and decide on the volume of your position. It's crucial to set stop-loss and take-profit levels to manage potential risks and secure profits. You can open a market order at the current price, or set a pending order to trigger at a specific future price. To sell, you simply close your open positions, which will realize any profits or losses. When you're ready to withdraw funds, navigate to your personal area on the OctaFX website or app. Select your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Remember, your profile must be fully verified before you can make a withdrawal, ensuring a secure transaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.